The recommended wheel spacer size for BMW 4 Series. Proper BMW G26 wheel spacers make sure your wheels and tires have enough space, so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of BMW G26 wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended spacer size for 2023 BMW G26 is front 45mm. In other words, this spacer provides a perfect first stance. If you install aftermarket wheels, things can be different. The BMW G26 wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. Getting the wrong offset can actually reduce a vehicle's stability on the road. By creating the offset, spacers improve driving safety. For those who have a limited budget, installing BMW G26 wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you add a high offset wheels or a wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you'll need BMW G26 wheel spacers. BMW spacers are available in larger size from 3mm to 50mm. They are fastened by extending wheel bolts or wheel bolts. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good BMW G26 wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of BMW G26 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test report. The precision of Bonus BMW G26 wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. After hard anodizing, the corrosion resistance of these Bonus BMW G26 wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. In this way, you can also choose to customize the pattern you like, and we will have it paint on the custom BMW G26 wheel spacers you want. Thanks for watching and have a great day!